Hello everyone, it's good to see you again. Today I've got an amazing product for Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT-650 which is from Raw&Rugged Leather and Company. So this company basically makes side panel pads which come over here on either of your side panels on either side, tank knee pads and keychains as well. So today I've got a pair of tank knee pads and a keychain which we'll see in the video right now. So let me just. So this is the leather keychain from Raw&Rugged. As you can see, it looks really premium and feels heavy in your hand as well. So yeah, I was telling you that the keychain over here looks really good on this motorcycle color, which is black and gold. I guess the gold color and this matches and goes really well along with the motorcycle when you see the front part of the motorcycle. Even the tan colored leather piece looks really premium. It is full grain leather, so it is of course water resistant and feels really premium. The grip is also really nice. I guess when you put it on your tank, it will look really amazing as well, the black and tan color. So before applying them, just use a microfiber cloth which is a little bit wet, and this is alright. Once it's done, let it dry for a minute or two, and then we'll remove this 3M tape and then stick it onto the tank. So now the surface is completely dry, so it is safe to apply the tank knee pads. So first you just remove this 3M adhesive tape from here, like this, and you can position it according your knee placement on the tank where you feel you have the most grip while caught. So that's it guys for today. We are losing daylight, so we are going to end this video over here, and all the links to the tank knee pads, keychains and the side panel bags, which are not here but they will come soon. They are already on their Instagram page. I'll mention their Instagram official ID in the description below and as well on the screens as well, so you can go and DM them regarding the pricing and everything. Tank knee pads will cost you around $9.99 plus shipping. Keychains will start from $2.99 free shipping. So alright guys, see you in the next video. Hope you like this video, and please share this video. Take care.